Hello guys, I welcome you to another interesting section of our YouTube Masterclass tutorial. And in this part of the training, we are going to talk about YouTube thumbnail and where you can design high quality professional YouTube thumbnail for free. I'm going to give you top 4 websites that you guys can use to design YouTube thumbnail for free. Okay. So with that being said, so right here, before you upload your YouTube video, so we are still under this category, which has to do with things you need to know before you upload your first YouTube video. So one of them is YouTube thumbnail. So for the purpose of people that doesn't have much experience about graphic design, so I'm giving you guys 4 top websites that you guys can use to create free thumbnail, high quality resolution for your YouTube videos. But if you are very much conversant with graphics tools like CorelDRAW, Photoshop, Illustrator, you can use any of the software to create your high quality professional thumbnail. Or better still, if you have the resources, you have enough of fund, you can freelance the job to a professional graphic designer to create you high quality YouTube thumbnail, because YouTube thumbnail is also one of the reasons why you are getting more clicks, more views, and more subscribers on your YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys 4 top websites by which you guys can use to create a free YouTube thumbnail for your next video. So let's go. So alright guys, so I welcome you back to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. Once again, I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm showing you guys 4 top websites that you guys can use to create your free YouTube thumbnail. So let's get started. The first one right here is snapper.com. This website offers a variety of templates, like YouTube templates, that you guys can use to create your YouTube thumbnail. So for this site, you can create a YouTube thumbnail for free. All you have to do when you visit the site, snapper.com. So when you visit the site, the next step you have to take is to go to templates. So click on templates. Alright guys, so it's take you right here. All you have to do is to just scroll down and navigate to this site. You'll see where you see YouTube thumbnail. So just click on that. Then it's open up in a new page like this. So you can see the headline, YouTube thumbnail template. So this is a ready-made template for YouTube thumbnail. All you have to do is to scroll down and pick on any template that relate to your videos. Okay, pick on any template that relate to your video and start to edit whatever you want to change on as far as this website is concerned. Okay, so you can scroll down and see more templates if eventually the one you see in the front page is not okay. So you can click on load more to see more templates. There are over 25 million images and for templates that you guys can use and search for more free template for your YouTube thumbnail. But one very good thing about this site is that before you can use any of these templates right here, you have to be a registered member. All you have to do is to come here, click on get started free, and just create your simple account. Then you just enter your name, your email address, your password, and check on the robot and click on get started for free account. You're going to create your free account. When you are done with creating a free account, come here and log into the account and start using the template all for free. So this is what I have for you guys as far as snapper.com is concerned. So let's take a look at another one I have for you guys as far as free thumbnail generator is concerned. Another one here is photon.com. So this website also offers a great thousands of free YouTube thumbnail ready-made templates that you guys can use to edit and add your own personal custom design. So when you visit the site photon.com, all you have to do is to navigate to get started, come to design templates right here. Then it take you guys right here. So all you have to do is to just scroll down and then choose your YouTube thumbnail template. So right here you can see. So all you have to do is to come here. You can see the right size for YouTube thumbnail is 1280 by 720 pixels, but I always recommend you use higher resolution, which is 1920 by 1080 pixel. So you click on YouTube thumbnail, then it's load up into a new page whereby you can see a variety of free YouTube thumbnail that you guys can use to create for your next your video. So as the name implies, you can see YouTube thumbnail templates. So all you have to do is to scroll down. So you can browse by category. So this is depends on the category, your niche on YouTube. You can search by food niche, travel, music, game, tutorial, fashion, business, background, game. This is they have about 619 templates that you guys can use for free. So all you have to do is to create a free account with them, log into your account, and pick on any template of your choice and start to editing to your own personal taste. So you can see there are a lot of templates right here. You can continue scroll down and see more and more. So right here, you can click on next page to move to another paragraph. So this is what I have for you guys as far as photon.com is concerned when you are trying to create your YouTube thumbnail. So the next one right here is fixme.co. This website also is very good, good template. All right, so when you get to this particular site, all you have to do is to come to the templates. So click on templates right here, and make sure you navigate to social media and graphics. You click on that. All right, so it's take you right here, and then you just have to scroll down, and you look for YouTube thumbnail. So right here we go. So this is YouTube thumbnail section as far as this particular site is concerned. All right, so right here you see YouTube thumbnail. So you can click here to see more YouTube thumbnail. So this is what I have for you as far as this site is concerned. The very last one I have for you guys here is pickmaker.com. So for pickmaker.com also, when you visit the site, all you have to do is to navigate to template right here. So when you click on templates, it's open up variety of templates that you guys can use. Then from there, you can easily pick YouTube template. All right, so the very last one here. So you can see right here, you click on YouTube thumbnail. From the home tab here, click on YouTube thumbnail. So you're going to see a lot of free custom YouTube thumbnail that you guys can use to do your thumbnail design. So you can see it right here. So there are a lot of things, a lot of templates in their library. All you have to do is to scroll down. You can either browse by fitness, by niche, yoga, food, fashion, gaming, travel, business, training, courses, music, marketing, sports, or you click on here and see more niche as far as YouTube thumbnail is concerned. So guys, this is all the top 4 websites I have for you guys to create your YouTube thumbnail for free. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end. And if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. And also, if you would like to join my YouTube Academy, whereby I hold you by hand and I teach you everything you need to know on how you can have a successful YouTube channel that pay you on monthly basis, feel free to join my YouTube Academy. You can click the link in the description to get started, or you connect with me on WhatsApp to get yourself registered to my YouTube Academy. Thank you guys for watching this video from the beginning to the end, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.